of all those 172 recommendations that the state capture required law enforcement agencies to pursue, we are part of those. Of course, you will understand that the majority of this will be handled by the ID. Yeah. We will handle those that the ID is not handling. So we are working closely with the ID in the NPA and with other law enforcement agencies. So we are tackling those. So there are matters that we are currently handling, and I think that we shall make some pronouncement that some activities will be happening this month.
Sigaba sokugcina sombiko wekomtshini kaZondo sadluliselwa kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa, sikhutshwa ngumengameli wamajaji uJustice Raymond Zondo ekuthomeni komnyaka lo. Namalunga we-ANC athintekako embikweni lo. Iphiko labofokisi ama-Hawks alisalinga ukughabisa amacala asalele emva angaphezulu kwenkulungwana ezima-20.
We have got 22,477 cases. This include the cases that we have already taken through that are serving before the courts. So the load itself is high, and then indeed when we increase the capacity, we will be able to deal with a number of them.
Kodwa isikhulu sama-Hawks sithulile ngeminingwana ethinda indaba yeplasi likaMengameli iphalaphala njengombana avikela iphenyo.
Let me not indicate who are the people that we have already approached. You see that generally, if a person is a witness, we will obtain an affidavit and file in the docket. So I will not mention who is the witness that we have obtained.
Isikhulu sama-Hawks siphethe ngokuthi sinethemba lokuthi zizokuvalwa zonke inkhala zemsebenzi eminyakeni emibili ezako njengombana kuragwa nokulwa nobulelesi.